welcome to a new session of chapter sets. In the last section we have studied difference of two sets and intersection of two sets. Today we can study a new topic, that is complement of a set. Definition: let U be the universal set and A a subset of U, then complement of A is set of all elements of U which are not the element of A. Symbolically we write A dash to denote complement of A with respect to U. Thus we can represent A dash or A complement by using set builder form in this way. A dash is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to U, okay, and x does not belongs to A. That means all elements in U which are not in A. We can represent A complement by using Venn diagram in this way. So rectangle for universal set and circle for subset, okay. Then we can mark U and this is A. Which portion is A complement? All elements in U which are not in A. That means it will be outside A, okay, outside A. This region is A complement, okay. Now we can do some examples. Let U equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and A equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What is A complement? A complement means all elements in U which are not in A. So what are the elements? Elements in U which are not in A. That means we can write 2 because 2 belongs to U, 2 does not belongs to A. Then 4, we cannot write 3, 4. Then 6 we can write. Then 8 we can write. Then 10. All elements in U which are not in A are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, it's very easy. Then next question, let U be universal set of all students of class 11 of a co-educational school and A be set of all girls in class 11. Find A dash. What will be A dash? It will be set of all boys, right? Set of all boys in class 11. Okay, that is the answer. Now we can go to next. Taking set of natural numbers as universal set, write down complements of the following sets. So this is the first question. We can take it as A. Okay. A equal to set of all x. X is an even natural number. Even natural numbers. Universal set means all natural numbers. So what about A complement? All natural numbers, difference, even numbers. That is set of all x. X is an odd natural number, right? Odd natural number. Actually, collection of all even natural numbers plus odd natural numbers is collection of all natural numbers. Okay, so A complement will be collection of all odd natural numbers because A is collection of all even natural numbers. Now we can take second question as B. Okay, B. Set of all x. X is a positive multiple of 3. So what about B complement? Set of all x. X is just opposite. Not a positive. Not a positive multiple of 3. That is enough. Multiple of 3. Okay. Then what about third question? Third question we can take it as C. C is set of all x. X plus 5 is equal to 8. Then C complement will be, this you have to write its opposite. Set of all x. X not equal to 3. So I will explain this one. X plus 5 equal to 8 implies x equal to 3. So actually this question is set of all x says that x equal to 3. What is this opposite? Set of all x says that x is not equal to 3. So C complement is set of all x says that x is not equal to 3. Okay. Then this is another question. Let u equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a equal to 2, 3, b equal to 3, 4, 5. Find a complement. Find b complement. Find a complement intersection b complement a union b. Hence show that a union b whole complement is equal to a complement intersection b complement. It's actually one law. It's called De Morgan's law. Okay, anyway we can find a complement. So what is a complement? All elements in U which are not in A. That means other than 2 and 3 we have to write 1, 4, 5, 6. So this is A complement. Now B complement. So B complement is all elements in U which are not in B. So 1 we can write, 2 also we can write, 3 we cannot write, 4 we cannot write, 5 not possible. So 6. Okay. Then we can find A union B also. A union B means all elements of A and B. So which are 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then you can verify A union B complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. So first we can find left hand side. Left hand side you have to find A union B complement. Means all elements in U which are not in A union B. All elements in U which are not in A union B. So 1 is not in A union B. So 2 we cannot write, 3 not possible, 4 not possible, 5, then 6 we can write. So A union B complement is set 1, 6. That is our left hand side. Now we can find its right hand side. That is A complement intersection B complement. So you have to find intersection of these two sets. So A complement intersection B complement. This will be equal to, what are the common elements? 1 is there, right? 1 is a common element and 6. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the result is true. The result is called De Morgan's law. Same way, this one also is true always. A intersection B complement. This will be equal to A complement union B complement. Okay. Then properties of complement of a set. First property, A union A complement is always equal to U. That we can verify by using Venn diagram. Now this is our U, A. Then A union A complement means all A plus A complement. A complement means outside. Union means complete, you are right. So we'll get complete U. So this is right. A union A complement is equal to U. Then A intersection A complement. Actually these two are two disjoint sets. There is no common element. So it is clear that A intersection A complement is null set. Then De Morgan's law. This one already we verified. A union B whole complement is A complement intersection B complement. And A intersection B whole complement is A complement union B complement. Then law of double complementation. A complement whole complement is equal to A. For example, suppose U equal to a set consists of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Suppose A equal to set 1, 2. Okay. Now what about A complement? A complement will be 3, 4, right? 3, 4. Then what about A complement whole complement? All elements in U which are not in A complement, which are not 3, 4, which are 1, 2 itself. So this is equal to A. So A complement whole complement is A. The last property, null set complement. Null set means there is no element. This will be equal to U, which is just opposite. Okay, and U complement is equal to null set. It's very clear. Okay, these are the properties of complement. So dear students, we have studied all the operations of sets. In the next class, we will study its applications. Okay, thank you.